All right, in part 1 and 2, we went over some of the suspension clunking noises I've been having. After replacing the control arms, let's see if we've improved the situation. I don't think we have. We may have a different problem. Let's listen. Yeah. Well, unfortunately, the clunking is still present. I can tell the suspension definitely feels a little bit tighter. There's a little bit of slop's been removed, and that's just the control arms that have been replaced, those bushings. But you know what? It still rattles, and I've still got to track this problem down, so we got to keep looking. Next, we'll go over some of the other options that are probably going to be part of the problem. Thanks for watching.